Hi people, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are exploring three key concepts in modern business. First one is ERP, then Six Sigma and Agile Manufacturing. These are essential tools and strategies for improving efficiency, quality and flexibility in business operations. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about ERP or Enterprise Resource Planning. It's an integrated software solution that manages and automates core business processes across various departments in an organization. The primary benefits of ERP are, let's discuss each. First one is integration. It unifies data across departments, facilitating better communication and collaboration. Second one is efficiency. Means by automating routine tasks, ERP reduces manual work and errors, making processes more efficient. Then the third one is data accuracy. With ERP, data is consistent and up to date, which leads to better decision making. Then the fourth one is scalability. ERP systems can grow with the organization, accommodating increased complexity and scale. ERP systems also include key modules that cater to different functions within the organization. Let's see each. First one is finance and accounting. It manages financial transactions, budgeting and reporting. Then human resources or HR means handles employee records, payroll and recruitment. Then supply chain management or SCM means manages procurement, inventory and logistics. Then CRM, customer relationship management, tracks customer interactions, sales and marketing efforts. Then manufacturing means oversees production planning, quality control and maintenance. Next up, let's discuss Six Sigma, a data-driven methodology used to improve quality by identifying and eliminating defects in process. Six Sigma relies on two structured approaches. First one is DMA-AIC for improving existing process. And it stands for D for define, means identify the problem and project goals. M, measure, collect data on current performance. A, analyze, determine the root causes of defects. I means improve, implement solutions to fix the root causes. Then there is C, which means control, monitor the process to ensure the improvements are sustained. The second approach is DMA-DV for designing new processes or products. D stands for define, set project goals. M stands for measure, understand customer needs and specifications. A means analyze, develop design options. D means create the process or product. Then there is V, test and validate the design. The benefits of Six Sigma are include improved quality, means reduces defects and variability in process. Then cost reduction, lowers cost by cutting waste and rework. Then customer satisfaction means enhances customer satisfaction through consistent high quality outputs. Finally, let's cover Agile Manufacturing, a strategy designed to help businesses respond quickly to changing customer needs and market conditions while controlling costs and maintaining quality. Agile Manufacturing is built on four key principles. First one is flexibility, the ability to adapt quickly to changes in demand or customer preferences. Then speed, responding rapidly to market opportunities. Then customer focus means prioritizing customer needs and providing customization. Then integration means using technology and collaboration across the supply chain to boost responsiveness. The benefits of Agile Manufacturing include competitive advantage. Means by responding swiftly to changes, businesses gain an edge in dynamic markets. Then the second one is customization. Means allows companies to produce customized products without significantly increasing costs. Then innovation facilitates the rapid introduction of new products and features. In summary, ERP, Six Sigma and Agile Manufacturing are powerful tools for managing business operations, improving quality, and staying competitive in fast changing markets. I hope this video gave you a clear understanding of these concepts and how they benefit businesses. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. See you in the next video.